Welcome back to Autopulse, where we dive deep into the heart of performance, design, and cutting-edge technology. Today, we've got something seriously special, the 2025 Audi S6 Sportback. If you're someone who craves power, luxury, and practicality all rolled into one aggressive yet elegant package, then buckle up. You're going to want to see this. Right off the bat, the 2025 Audi S6 Sportback impresses with its sleek and muscular design. It's a perfect blend of athleticism and sophistication. The long sloping roofline, frameless doors, and bold single-frame grille give it that unmistakable Audi DNA, but with an added dash of sportiness. The redesigned LED matrix headlights with laser technology aren't just showy, they're smarter than ever, adjusting dynamically to road conditions and traffic. Around the rear, you'll find OLED tail lights with customizable light signatures, and quad exhaust tips that let everyone know this isn't just a pretty face. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. The 2025 S6 Sportback packs a 2.9-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine, producing 444 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and, of course, Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. This car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4.3 seconds, which is blisteringly quick for a car that can still comfortably carry 5 adults and their luggage. Audi has fine-tuned the suspension with adaptive air damping, giving you that perfect balance between track day stiffness and daily comfort. Speaking of comfort, the interior of the 2025 S6 Sportback is every bit as impressive as the exterior. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by a clean, tech-forward cabin. The materials are top-tier, Valcona leather seats with contrast stitching, carbon fiber and brushed aluminum accents, and soft-touch everything. The dashboard is dominated by Audi's MMI touch response system with dual screens, a 10.1-inch upper screen for infotainment and an 8.6-inch lower screen for climate and vehicle settings. It feels futuristic and intuitive at the same time. And then there's the virtual cockpit. This 12.3-inch digital display behind the steering wheel is fully customizable and razor-sharp, showing everything from navigation to performance stats. Audi has also included a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system that floods the cabin with crystal-clear audio, whether you're blasting your favorite playlist or enjoying a podcast during a long drive. In terms of driver assistance, the 2025 S6 Sportback doesn't skimp. It comes standard with Audi Pre-Sense front and rear, adaptive cruise assist with lane guidance, traffic sign recognition, intersection assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features don't just keep you safe, they add to the effortless, high-tech feel that Audi has mastered. Cargo space is surprisingly generous too, thanks to the Sportback design. You get a wide hatch and split folding rear seats that open up to a spacious trunk, making this a practical option for those who want performance without sacrificing utility. Whether you're heading out for a weekend trip or hauling sports gear, the S6 Sportback can handle it all. Now let's talk numbers. The base price for the 2025 Audi S6 Sportback starts at around $76,500. Of course, with options like the executive package, sport exhaust, dynamic steering, and more premium finishes, you can easily push that number above $85,000. But when you factor in the performance, luxury, tech, and sheer presence this car delivers, it's absolutely worth every penny. The S6 Sportback sits in a unique spot in the performance luxury segment. It competes with cars like the Mercedes-AMG E53 and BMW M550i, but it manages to hold its own with that signature Audi refinement and Quattro grip. It's subtle but aggressive, fast but composed, practical but luxurious. It's the kind of car that can be your daily driver and your weekend thrill machine. All in one sleek, 4-door coupe. So, is the 2025 Audi S6 Sportback worth it? If you're looking for a car that does it all, comfort, speed, tech, and looks, without shouting about it, this just might be your perfect match. It's understated excellence, and that's what makes it so desirable. Thanks for tuning in to Autopulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the world of performance and innovation. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.